and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor and welcome to a new episode of Source Documents. Source Documents is a series in which I explain you the meaning and purpose of the source documents which are maintained by business organizations. I will also teach you how to draw some of these source documents. Today's source document is very simple and does not need any introduction, that is a passbook. I am sure almost all of us have seen a passbook and many of us have also updated passbooks. Even I remember when I was a small kid, my dad used to always send me to update the passbook. And I also know that many of you must have also gone to various banks to update your parents' passbooks. So a passbook is a book which is given by the bank to savings account holders and recurring deposit account holders. It is usually not given to current account holders because the current account holders undergo a lot of transactions through their bank accounts, and it is very difficult to fit all their transactions in one single passbook. For example, if you want to give passbooks to current account holders, a bank will have to give at least 12 to 13 passbooks every year in order to fit their transactions in the passbook. That is the number of transactions that a current account holder undergoes. Because current account holders are normally businessmen, and businessmen like to do all things from their bank account so that it looks white. So instead of passbooks, a current account holder is given a bank statement which is exactly like a passbook, but it is given in sheets. So a bank statement is much longer than a passbook. A passbook is a book which shows you your bank balance on a particular date, and it will also register all the transactions that you have done through your bank account. So you don't have to keep track of your bank account transactions, the bank does it for you. A passbook is completely blank. If you want to know your bank balance, you have to take the passbook, go to the bank and get it updated from there. Nowadays there are passbook updating machines which are located outside the bank, and you can get your passbook updated even beyond office hours. Previously, when computers were not there, the passbooks were handwritten by the bank officials. But now that computers are there and machines are there, the passbooks are updated through those machines. Now that we know what is a passbook and how to update it, let us see how to draw a passbook. So just like every source document, the first step is to draw the three lines, that is the top line and the left and right line of the source documents. So I have drawn the three lines of my passbook. The first step over here is to write the name of your bank. Now a disclaimer, every bank's passbook is slightly different. So I am showing you just one of the samples of the passbook. For example, some of the passbooks have the account number on every page and the name of the bank on every page. However, some passbooks do not give you the account number on every page. However, the sample that I am showing is completely correct. It is not wrong. So if you draw this, no one is going to blame you, no one is going to say anything to you. The main thing is the columns of this document. So I am going to write the name of the bank. And I am going to write the account number over here. Account number. An account number is normally 15-digit number. So any 15-digit number. And a top line. This is completely optional. I mean, if you do not write the name of the bank and if you do not write the account number, no one is going to blame you, because there are passbooks in this world who do not display the name of the bank and the account number on every single page. A passbook has the first page where you will get all the details, your account number, bank's name, your address, your bank's address, and all those things. So some banks do not give this information on every page, and some banks do give this information on every page. So whether you write this or not is not a problem. But what I am going to draw after this is compulsory and you cannot skip any part of it. So a passbook is almost like a journal. Let's see how. The first column over here is date. After date we have particulars. After particulars, normally we have LF in journal. Over here, some banks do not give you the ledger folio, but instead of a ledger folio, they will give you check number. Now again, some banks skip this step. So what I am going to do, I am going to be completely silent. I am just going to draw the debit and credit columns, but they are called a bit different over here. The debit column is the withdrawal column and the credit column is your deposit column. And finally, you have balance. Every page of your passbook would look like this. They will have the name of the bank, they will have your account number over here, they will have the date, particulars, withdrawal, deposit, balance. So an extra column is your balance column. Otherwise, if you know how to draw a journal, you will definitely know how to draw a passbook. A bank statement also looks the same, but your bank statement will have all this information only on the first page, and after that you will just have vertical lines. So that is how you draw a passbook. Isn't it easy? I would say passbook is the most easiest because you have seen the passbook so many times and the passbook is very similar to a journal. So you cannot goof up in this. With that, we come to the end of today's video. If you have liked today's video, then please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new upload. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you have any queries or suggestions, you are free to use the comment box down below. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmay Kesarkar signing off. Good luck and take care.